Nkechi, ijetere ihe. Hi. Hey. Cheers. Hi. 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 I can't believe I'm falling for this guy like that. Oh, I'm falling so fast. Hi, Nkechi, Dago. Dago. Hi, it's even good. So I will allow my husband with his unwanted wife to continue whatever nonsense they are doing. Let me enjoy myself. Eh, girl, when was the last time I drank wine in my life? This one is rich, he's tall, he's cute, he's dark, broad shoulder. Hi, he's a complete man. Oh my God, this is sweet. And I like you. Osimba. But he's good. He's nice. He's not bad if I love him. Or do the bad. Or do bad at all. Do bad. So I will now live in this house. This beautiful house. Let me comport. Hi. Chineke. Yes. My husband can go to hell. After all, what on your Jiro one kwai. Rubbish. I don't want champagne, can I?
I don't understand. Are you the only person that has mouth? Are you the only person that has mouth? Eh? Can't you just shut up for once? This your mouth just keeps creating problems for me every time. Problem.
I did not create problem for you. You are the one that created problem for yourself. You want to marry into the family of mad people and criminals. And two sisters. One is a daylight criminal. Daylight armed robber. The other one is a mad dog. She's lucky, oh. She's lucky that I'm pregnant, eh? If not, I would have shown her the true meaning of madness.
You see, eh? You see, eh? Ever since I've known you, you have created nothing but problems to my life.
Ever since I have known you, I have only known misery. All you brought to my life is misery. Okudili, you have made my life miserable.
I don't know. See, this is why it's good. You see people just having problems. Leave them. Leave them. Let them fight. Let them destroy themselves. Don't help people in this life. I don't know what negative, evil wind blew me to your side. I should have allowed your husband just destroy you that day.
Did I beg you? Okudili, did I beg you for your help? I did not beg you. You just from nowhere appeared with your bad luck and destroyed my life. Destroyed my life. Killed my husband and made me a widow. And made my child fatherless. Hey! Okudili, you are a bad luck. What am I? Why am I even crying? Where is that police station I saw on my way? I saw police station. Which side? Leave me. Police!
Calm down.
Okudili, you're there. Don't leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Calm down.
That police station is not far.
Stop chasing now. I'm calling you babe now. You're not even listening.
Who is your babe? Who is your babe? How could you leave me? Where is that police?
Leave this police talk now. Leave this police talk now. Why are you like this now? Babe, let's go home.
Police!
Let's go. Stop this nonsense now.
Baby, you are looking absolutely amazing.
You made it.
You're beautiful.
You made it possible. Thank you.
Wow. I made the right choice. Let's go.
I'll be your date.
I'll be your host.
Obada, Where is this man now? What is he even doing inside?
Foolish man! Come outside!
Over there! Didn't you hear me calling you? And why were you not answering me?
Sir.
I said, I want you to give me a massage all over my body.
Massage?
Are you asking my sister a question? Don't you know what a massage is? Man, don't you know what massage is?
Massage or romance? Which one?
Sister, he's asking you a question.
Listen to me. I don't like repeating myself. And you know how angry I can be when I repeat myself. I will say it again. I want you to give me a massage.
A good one. My sister, my sister. You know I love you. I'm so happy. Hey!
Get up, what are you doing?
You want to rape my sister? You want to rape my sister?
What is this romance? Romance and massage, I don't know the same thing.
Hey! Is that how to massage?
Massage and romance, they are twin sisters.
There. I don't want to get angry.
Okay.
I did not ask you to squeeze me. I said you should massage me.
Just her back. Not everywhere. Hey! Are you frowning your face?
Obadiah.
It's frowning his face.
Obadiah, you want to kill me? That's not what I asked you to do. You're pressing me. I want to feel your hands all over my back. I'm not feeling it.
Okay.
I'm not feeling it. Let me.
You want to kill my sister?
Obadiah, stop.
Stop! You want to kill my sister? Wicked man!
Come back here! Okodili, I brought my cousin, Ozemena, to your house so that you will give us answers to our unanswered questions.
My in-laws, you are welcome. You are welcome. My in-law, first of all, as tradition demands, let me offer you something now. What will you take?
Okodili, we don't want anything, Biko. We don't want
take
anything.
Something now. Just
We
take
don't
something.
want anything. Okodili, Biko, we don't want anything. Where is Nkechi? Okodili, I cannot feel Nkechi's presence in this house at all. It is very clear to me that Nkechi is nowhere around this your compound. Okodili, where is Nkechi?
My in-law. Okay. The truth of the matter is this, so like I told you, we had one small quarrel. Then you know Nkechi, she has temper now. She decided to leave. You understand? I pleaded with her. I held her. I said, don't go. I love you. Don't go. I love you. Don't go. She said no, that she wants to go. You know your sister now. You know your sister.
You could not stop Nkechi.
But you know your sister.
You could not stop Nkechi from leaving your house.
You know your sister. She has temper now. I mean, you know her. You know her when she's angry now.
You could not stop your wife from leaving the house, Okodili.
But you know her now.
Go inside that house and bring out Nkechi. Nkechi, go and bring out Nkechi. Simple. All these things you're saying.
My in-law, and you didn't even think to inform us about her whereabouts.
My in-law is not like that too. It's not. I mean, you're a man. You know women now. You know women. You have one in your house. The truth of the matter,
Nkechi talk? Nkechi everywhere. Is Nkechi a baby? Nkechi everywhere. Nkechi is a grown woman. She packed her things and up and left. What do you expect the poor man to do? Come on, you again.
Who is this mannerless witch?
I don't know.
You again.
You are mannerless and you are a witch.
What is all this?
You are mannerless.
Family meeting.
You are strange and you are a witch.
Family meeting.
You are a witch.
Oh God.
This family meeting. And you are mannerless and you are a witch. You are mannerless and you are a witch.
Sorry. Please forgive her. Forgive this her condition. Don't talk like this now. Shut up, please. Family meeting. Sorry. Please. Marry who? I can't marry this thing now. I'm not married to her now. Kill Nkechi now. How can? See. My in-law. You see you,
Obadaya. Obadaya weluya wayo niji fule buka ijelu wajogu. Obadaya weluya wayo mbobuna.
No, you want to fight me? Come and fight. You bloody civilian, lazy cat. Oh yeah, go down there and do frog jump. Go and do frog jump now. Go and do frog jump. The only thing you know how to do is sleep and lazy around. Give me 40 press up and 90 frog jump. It's only to be making mouth and sleeping. That's the only thing you know how to do. And once you're done, come and clean this water.
You seem so happy. Can I know why?
Actually, it's nothing. I'm just happy. Yes.
You know what?
What?
I want to make a confession.
Okay. Which?
I want to tell you something. Well, you might think it's too early. It might sound strange to you, but I'm telling you, it's from the depth of my heart. You know, these few moments I've spent together, you know, is the most cherished moment of my life. You know, I'm so happy. Just being with you, you know, it's so relaxing. It's so somehow, you know, you make me, you know. So I cherish every moment we've spent together, honestly. And I'm happy you came into my life.
Thank you. And I'm also happy I have you.
And I tell myself, why wait? Why just wait? Why don't you just say it and make it permanent? You understand? And now, I ask you, please. Kiki baby, please be my wife. Yes. Just tell me yes. Make me the most happiest man on earth, then I will make you the most happiest and fulfilled woman on earth. Just say yes.
95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. If you like, fall, faint. If you like, die. After you're dying, you stand up and come and clean this water. The only thing you know how to do is talk and lazy about. You bloody civilian. Lazy cat. Lazy cat.
Why am I passing through this thing in my own house? Eh? A man like me. Wait, am I still in my compound? This is my compound. Am I going to run away? Should I run away for these people? Or should I stay and fight? Never! I want me to come and clean this thing. I will not. I'm not a man in my own house. Come out now! Okay, get an answer of your own. And I can't see. Get them up. Come with a quiet. No one clean this thing. Never! I will not. Come to us one.
Angelica, please. It's okay. I don't want anything to happen to my husband, though. Please.
Nothing is going to happen to him. And besides, we've not even started the main training.
Hey.
This is just the beginning. We've not started the main discipline. This is just the beginning.
Angelica, but my husband is not part of the army now. Hey, he doesn't need all this training. He doesn't need it.
This is not training, but discipline.
Angelica, I'm going to be the one to suffer it too. If you make him harden, I will be the one to suffer it. And with the way Obadiah is, I don't think he can stand this training. He will just die. And I don't want to be a widow, please.
Blessing.
It's okay. Stop it. Stop all
Blessing.
this.
No one calls the shots. I say when it's okay. And no one tells me what to do. No bloody civilians tells me what to do.
Hey, whoa, bloody civilian. It's my husband we're talking about here now. Eh? You're going to kill him. Please. It's okay. Don't do it again. Don't help me. It's okay. Hey, who even asked you to come to this house now? You want to kill him?
I'm going. I'm tired of this nonsense. You're going.
Give me your one.
You're leaving. Go. You understand me? Go.
Okoli, don't spoil my bag.
Go far away.
Don't spoil my bag.
Go. Leave my house. Leave my life alone. You understand me? Leave me. Go far where I'll never see you again. You understand? Where your spirit cannot find your shadow. Go. I'm tired. You are a curse. You understand me? You are cursed and you're a bigger curse.
Hey! Okoli, I will go.
Go.
Yes. I will go.
Yes.
But guess what? So say to the police station. I am going to tell them how you killed my husband and held me and my baby hostage.
Wait.
Leave my bag.
What do you mean by that? Just police, you to think now. Think. If you go and tell the police now, have you forgotten that it was me and you that buried him together? So me and you will enter problem.
Okoli, no wonder. I forgive you. No wonder you ended up in the village. You are not an intelligent person. So you believe that anybody in this country will believe you when you tell them that a heavily pregnant woman like me killed a man and buried the man with you? Bonyala. Biko, leave my bag. Let me go to work.
Wait first now. You two, you don't understand things so sometimes. Also, since you have stayed in this house with me, you still don't know the way I behave. This bag has been inside now. I just brought it out to, just sun it a bit. You understand? It's becoming very damp. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't tell me sorry. I don't want your sorry. I have a family. I did not fall from the sky. Let me go and stay with them. In fact, before I go, I will stop at the police station. They can accommodate me for the night.
Forget this police.
Okoli, give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Let's go inside
give
now.
me my bag.
I know you don't want the son to beat the bag again. No problem now. Let's go.
No.
Let's go now.
No. I want to go to my... I want to go.
Let's go. Stop this thing now.
Police.
Our neighbors are hearing this now. Stop this thing now. Don't you know when somebody is playing with you? I just brought this bag so that I can sun it. Come, let's go. Let's go inside now.
Don't stress me. Carry my bag. Carry my bag.
I'm already carrying it.
I'm carrying it properly.
I'm carrying it properly now. See, it's not touching the ground now. Come, let's go first now. I'll carry it well. I've started carrying it. See. Sorry.
No, but I can keep going.
No, there's no need.
No, I don't like stress. Let me just... Even that police, I know they can keep me somewhere.
Stop this thing now. Police station better than my house. Stop like this now.
Police is my friend. Police is my friend.
Your best friend.
You people will kill me in this house. Talk to your sister. You people will kill me. I'm going to bank it.
Hey, God forbid. Nobody's going to kill you. You will not die in Jesus' name.
I know I'm keeping quiet. I'm charging if I get angry. Hey.
Are you complaining?
Oh, my in-law, you're welcome. Have you eaten? No, sorry, me and my wife, we are, so the other day somebody was telling me, come to gym, that you pay 5,000 and you join gym. I told the boy, I don't want to do gym now, you are here. Telling me without money. What is it?
So you want more of my training?
More training?
Hey!
No. I don't need it now. Let me regain myself.
Angelica, you see my husband now. He's tired. Just free him for now. Let him be, please.
You bloody civilian.
Obadiah, Obadiah, onye nsogbu. Obadiah, Obadiah.
I'm charging my face. If I charge food,
Reduce your voice.
she will say.
If she hears you, she will come and beat you.
What will she do? Listen, let me tell you, I'm not afraid of anybody.
Come inside. Come and drink water.
Huh? Inside, drink water.
Yes.
No, bring the water here. Bring the water here. It's not that I'm afraid though. If I enter there, break her neck.
Come inside. She
She's
will
a
not
woman.
beat you. Come inside.
I'm doing all this because she's a woman. I don't like fighting women. I'm a good man.
Let me bring it for you.
Please bring it here. Please. Get me the water. Let me drink and get straight. What's that? Nonsense. How can you imagine? In my own house? Never! Let me charge. Let my battery charge full. Eh? Because of you. You know I don't like fighting women. That's why she's doing all these things. Before I my upper court, she will faint. Blessing.
Oh, thank you. You're very beautiful too. Come here.
Thank you so much. You're beautiful.
My son, what about Carol, your wife? Is she aware you are taking another woman? Eh? Were you two having issues? Please, I don't support you taking another woman. I don't.
Let him be. Abuchi is a man, an African man for that matter.
Thank you, Papa.
He has every right to marry as many wives as possible, as long as he can take good care of them. And
yes, Papa.
I like your hair, it's fine. Your
Thank
clothes, your earrings, they're all fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
yes, I am in support of any decision and every step you want to take. Have my blessings.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Oh. Wow, your phone is fine.
Thank you. Okay. Smile.
Carol is never a good wife to my son. Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Not every man will tolerate like me. Carol, you see, Carol is never a good wife to my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's fine.
That's my sister-in-law to be.
Yes, and she's my wife to be. And you make a good wife for my brother.
Really? Yes. You think so?
Yes.
Like gossip.
I don't know, but all I'm saying is that my son will never marry another wife.
Okay. Please. You want your son to die because he's married a bad woman.
Madam, what is keeping you at the meeting now? Bring it now.
I'm coming, oh.
Are you going to bring it in my burial?
Let it easy now.
What is this?
Wait now.
Wait now. How much is it? I'm not going to pay for this, you know.
What do you mean?
It's very small.
It's not my fault. Meat is very expensive these days in the market. I don't sell the way I bought now. Okay. 1 cow head is sold at 5,000 naira. Check it.
At 5,000? Am I eating 1 cow head? Am I the one that will pay it?
Did I say you are eating 1 cow head? I'm just explaining things.
I'll not pay the amount you are telling me.
See, if you are not serious, I'll just take back my meat. I don't have your strength this afternoon, Pico.
I've eaten 1. Unless you have forgotten.
You bet that one you have eaten.
Get me one bottle.
One bottle.
One more.
So well done. Hey! Onyami. My customers. Onyami herself. You are right on time. Everything is just ready for the everything. Huh?
Over there. Are you okay? Are you sure?
I have everything though. Me too. Even chilled drinks.
So, madam, all these things you say you have it.
I have it now.
You have it.
Is anything the matter?
You have it.
I have it.
Cut your skin and sell as well.
For what?
Eh?
I will not.
Cut one part of your breast and sell it. You have everything.
Business I can do it.
It's good that how many people eat meat.
Enjoy yourself, yeah? If you want another one, I'll bring. Eh? I have everything, even chilled drinks. Oh, Badaya. Hey, welcome.
Papa, we should be on our way back to the city because the journey is very long.
Are you sure you people will not spend the night here and set out for the city early?
Papa, Ganaiban, no go. No. I have an early morning appointment tomorrow. I must go today.
Okay. My daughter.
Papa.
Please, take good care of my son. He is the only son I have.
I will, Papa.
And you people should learn how to live in peace. Be good.
Mama, chipotle.
Go now.
Mama,
Go and carry your wife.
This
man is very
Madam, what are you doing? Madam, how much is our bill? Plus the old bill.
Plus the old bill?
Yes.
Okay, it is 15,700 naira.
15,700. Bring extra 3 bottles.
3 more bottles. Onyami, you can enjoy yourself.
That bill is how much?
Total money. With this extra 3 bottles, it is 16,600 naira.
16,600. Okay. Over there. What is going on? Where are you going to?
No, I'm only exercising myself.
Over there, come now. Come now. We're not fighting. We're not quarreling. Just come and sit down. Come now. Sit down.
How much? 1,600.
16,600 naira. You are saying 1,600.
You've heard that now. Total bill is 16,600. So you see to the bill.
I should pay.
Any complaint?
No, I don't complain. You are my in-law. If you come to my house, I will buy the drink for you. What is there?
That's why I trust you.
So why are you feeling like an inflated person?
Don't worry. Go and bring all the things you have. Are you selling your shop?
Yeah.
Sell your son to Onyami. If you go to Obadiah. Get the mark. I will complete this one letter.
5,000 out of 16,500 or bad.
If I go to market, I will pay. If we can,
Any problem?
No problem. We are trying to sort it out. I have paid her.
Paid? Obada, Madam, Obi has paid you.
No, my money remains 11,500 naira.
Don't worry, if you see him next time, owe him, he will give you the.
No problem.
He's my elbow-in-law.
No problem.
Everything
Tell
is
him
fine.
to pay me, please. I need money. If only that stupid arm robber woman did not steal my money. Now that be eating exactly what my body wants. That Nkechi or whatever you call her name, that stupid woman you married as a wife. That money will choke her. It will choke her to death. She will die wherever she is.
Stop cursing, oh. Stop cursing. It's not good for your condition, oh. It's not good for your condition, oh.
It's not good for my condition, Bugin. Is it hunger that is good for my condition? Okay, so hunger is good for my condition, okay?
You're never hungry. I go out to provide anything you need. You're not hungry.
Well, that's not good enough. I'm pregnant and I have cravings. Like now, my body is craving chicken pasta and chicken salad with chicken wrap and smoothies with strawberries and grapes on the smoothie. Can you provide that? Can you?
Caro, I can't steal because of you. You understand me? The food is ready. Do you want to eat?
Not yet.
This is not spaghetti, pasta, grape. I don't know all those things you were calling now. Huh?
Okoli, give me, let me taste it.
Oh, you said you're not hungry now?
Give me, let me taste it. It's like I can hear police siren along this road. Can you hear it? You can cook, oh. Add more. Did you hear police? The police car is passing. Police.
Should I add more?
Yes.
Do you want meat?
Meat, yes, please. Put on the meat. How could you put big meat for me?
I'm putting now.
Uh-huh.
I'm putting, oh. I'm putting.
Caro,
I'm putting, oh.
Put it.
I'm putting. Caro, I'm putting. I should add more.
Add all of them. Ah.
Sweetheart, is there anything you need to tell me? It's like you want to tell me something? Go ahead and say.
Nothing.
You sure?
Yes. I'm just tired.
Oh, you're tired. Okay, don't worry. We'll soon get home so that you can freshen up. Soon get home so that you can freshen up. But you're okay, right?
Yes.
It's okay. You know I love you.
I love it. I love it.
Don't. They will know.
What are you doing with these clothes?
Is it your business? Are you not a teller? I'm taking them to the teller. Oh, you and your sister have bought all my clothes. He brought her here to kill me, but it will not work. Because I have a big God. I have big head. She cannot swallow me.
Obadiah, you know very well that I cannot do these things that you're accusing me of. Hmm?
There's no point crying. There's no point crying.
Let me help you.
Both of you will regret it. Don't help me. Don't touch my clothes. Both of you will regret it. There's no point crying. Hmm? By the time I'm done with what I want to do, she will know that I'm the man of this house. Do you understand? And meanwhile, tell your sister to go to one and pay her. She's owing that woman 11,000 something, 11,600. Young Tanamanya, she should go and pay.
Hi.
As for me,
Where's your husband?
Why are you asking about him?
Well, hope you're fine. Is there anything for me inside to eat?
Obadiah.
please, I'm very sorry for what happened the last time. Please, it will never repeat itself again. I'm very, very sorry. Please, please.
Okodili.
Yes, my in-law.
Okodili.
My in-law.
This is not what I came here for, Okodili. Okodili, I came here for you to tell me what happened to my sister Nkechi. Okodili, it's been months now, we've not found Nkechi.
My in-law.
Nkechi is my only surviving sister, Okodili. What happened to my sister Nkechi?
My in-law, please. Look, Nkechi, I will find her. I'm still trying my best to find her. I promise to find her. I will find her. I will find her.
Better find her. She's my only sister. Better find her because we are talking about a human being. We are not talking about some goats or some cow. We are talking about Nkechi. The only sister I have, Okodili.
We are also talking about the only wife I have too now. And I'm not relenting in my effort to finding her. So I'll find her. Okay. I'll find her. Trust me, please.
Okay.
Please.
You'll find her.
I'll find her.
I'm taking it to my kinsmen because I am taking this matter to my kinsmen because I've been coming here. You've not given me any positive answers. So I'm taking this matter to my kinsmen. You will tell us what happened to Nkechi.
See.
By the time we come back, have an answer for us. So
I will find her. I will find her.
You will find her.
Yes, now.
Okodili, every time I come to your house, you have never given me any positive answer about Nkechi's whereabouts. See. You have never given me any answer.
My in-law, I'll find her now. There's no need to tell him kinsmen. I'll find her now.
No, I'll involve my kinsmen. So, Kwado Chelani.
There's no need for this.
Kwado Chelani.
There's no need for this.
Okodili, Kwado Chelani, because you're not looking for Nkechi.
I'm looking for every day now.
You're not looking for Nkechi.
I've been looking for everyone now. It's because you came, I'm here.
You're here looking for Nkechi.
Because you came, I'm here.
You're here looking for Nkechi.
Because you came, I'm here. I'm not looking for Nkechi now.
By the time they come, have answers for them.
There's no need for this.
I am not my kinsman. You will look for answers. I am not my kinsman.
There's no need for this. There's no need for this. There's no need for this. You know me. I'm harmless. You know. Waka.
Is he harmless? The way you want them why?
Waka.
Obadiah. Obatosu. You can get it too much, Obadiah. Welu ya wayo. Obadiah. Okunu kageri kazi. Obadiah. Obadiah.
I need to leave this village. What could you? Huh? These children want to use me to learn karate. When they move, I go to the army. Eh? Never! They will not get me. Can't see.
How am I supposed to bathe now? Eh? This big house, there is no water. Eh? How am I going to fetch water? Am I going to take this bucket outside now to fetch water? Eh? Why is this bloody civilian? Obadiah! 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 Where is Obadiah?
He's not in this household. He has left.
I saw him this morning.
You don't know what you're saying, Agilika. His clothes are not even here. I'm not sure he slept this house last night. I just realized that he's not in this house this morning.
I said I saw him this morning.
He's not there. Hey. Where could he have gone to? How am I going to look for him?
She from Nollywood. Okudili, what are you doing outside here by yourself now? Eh? You should be inside with me. I'm lonely.
Please, Caro, please. I beg you in the name of God, please. I have things on my mind right now. Caro, please.
Why are you being so wicked to me and my godchild? Is it fair? It's not fair the way you are treating us. It's not good though.
What do you want from me? No, Caro, what do you want from me? What do you want me to do? Look, I have things on my mind. Caro, I have things on my mind. Please. See, I don't know where to find Nkechi. Where will I start finding Nkechi right now? Where will I find her? I mean, my in-laws are on my neck asking me the whereabouts of their daughter. Caro, please. Let me think. Please.
Oh, that. Eh? That's why you're worried. Nkechi. Okudili, you are so funny. Nkechi, that is a full-grown woman. That is probably somewhere right now, enjoying her life. You are here being worried. Okudili, come and stay inside with me now. Come and spend time with me and the baby. See, the nurses at the health center, they say this is the right time for us to get close to our men. Hey, what?
Please, let me just stop you there. Stop it right there. Caro, I am not your man. I'm not your man. I mean, what do you want me to do? I can't even imagine myself on top of a woman carrying another man's pregnancy. What do you mean by that? Please, Caro, please.
It's not even like that. It's not even how you are thinking it. Eh? It's not for fun. You're only going to be doing it to help the baby and I. It's for health purposes. This is a critical time in this pregnancy. We should be very close, so that it will help the baby. It's not even from the front where I like it. It's from the... It's not good though. It's not good. This is how you're treating me. If you didn't keep my husband, will I be begging you? I will not be here begging you for help. It's not even like I want you to do it from the front where I like it. It's just something you do from the back. Very simple, very easy. Just to help me. You don't want to help me. The way you're treating me is not good though. If you did not kill my husband, will I be here begging you? The way you're treating me,
ma. Something you just do from the back that will not waste time. Odimgbe ma. Because you killed my husband, you want me to suffer.
Nonsense is this one now? I told him I needed that money today to go to the market. Eh? Please, so I need my money.
Why, Onitsha? I'm so sorry to hear this. But as you can see, I am on my way out to look for my husband. Obadiah left this house with his clothes this morning, and we don't know his whereabouts.
How is that my business? It is not my concern. I need that money to restock my shop. It is either you provide Obadiah or you give me my money.
Why, Onitsha? When you came to this compound, I respected you by greeting you and I answered you. Please, if you see the person that is owing you, disturb him.
Is he not your husband?
Don't let me disrespect you.
You are your husband. Are you not? Let's come here. You are not going out. You have to give me my money. Or you provide your husband. What is it? I'm already giving for the
Hey!
You will give me my money. I didn't know it's your husband.
I didn't know you are this troublesome.
Oh, dear.
Hey,
it is not that you are knowing, eh?
I will change it for you. I'm not the one owing you. If you see the man owing you, beat him or do whatever you want to do.
I am ready for you this morning. You will change it for me. Okay, come and change it now. You are not going anywhere.
You are a troublesome woman.
Oh, dear.
You are a very wicked person.
Yes.
I'm telling you about the whereabouts of my husband. You
give me my money. Whether your husband is missing is not my business. I want my money to restock my shop. Period.
Hey! I'm not the one owing you.
I don't care. It's your husband. Give me my money. You have to pay me.
Okay, no problem. Stay with me in my house. Come and sit down with me.
I will sit down with you. You have to give me my money. No problem. Nonsense.
See, please stop this thing. This thing you want to do is not good in your condition now. You don't need to be crying self and disturbing me. It's not good. It's not good.
Stop pretending. Why you pretending like you care about me? You don't care about me and this baby. That's why you killed my husband, so that me and my born baby will suffer.
Why are you talking like this now? I'm not your enemy now. I mean, I came to help you out. It's just that we are currently victims of circumstances now. So please, don't be talking like this thing you want to do at this time. Please. This
thing you are doing now, is it friend behavior? Is it friend behavior? Is it how friend behave? Friend help friend. Since you have started helping me from day one, finish the help now. Hey, Okoli, why are you doing like this? Please now, it's just small thing I'm asking you. Is it that I'm not beautiful? Don't you find me attractive? Or is it a crime to be pregnant? Don't lie, yo. I've seen you looking at my breast before. Stop lying. I know you like it.
See, this thing... See, I can't do this thing. This thing is not my own. It's another man's something. I've never done this thing before now. How can I
it's just nothing I'm asking you. It will not take time. It will not take time. It will not even stress you. You will not be stressed. I know you have not done it. I will teach you. You just need to stand behind. You will not even need to lie down. It's not stressful. You will not stress yourself. Just stand. If you stand behind, it will not take time. Okay, why are you doing like this now? So you want my baby to die? You want my baby to die because you have killed the father, now you want to kill the baby too?
Why are you talking like this
It's what you are doing now. It's what you are doing. Okay.
I will show you. Let me tell you. It's not difficult.
See, I'm not used to this kind of thing now. I don't.
Let me show you. It's not difficult.
I don't know how you want me to do this. See, I don't.
What is all this? By this time, my sister will not stay at home. You see why she's having problem with her husband? Where will she be now by this time? Leaving me here. What is all? Where am I? This is Karo's house. Karo! Karo, your brother is here. Open the gate for me. What is all this? Eh?
Thank you so much, Ekene.
Okay.
So this is where I live. But like I told you, I don't want anybody to know for now. Please, don't tell anyone.
No, it's my word. It's okay.
At the right time, I will let them know. Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
This is not my sister. Karo! Karo! Yeah, get on the problem.
Hey! What is it? Who are you? And what are you doing in my gate? Eh?
Who are you? Your gate. Okay, are you the new house girl?
Please shut up. I'm not the new house girl. I'm the wife.
Which wife? Call my sister for me, please. Help me call my sister. Even that tenant.
Who is your sister?
Call my sister. My sister lives here with her husband. She's very black.
Please stop sounding as if you're demented. I don't know why you're talking like a demented cow. Ina podala. I told you I'm the madam of the house and you're saying call my sister. But which of your sisters?
When did they employ you? Without telling me. You have the key. That means you must be the house girl. Let's go inside.
You're mad.
Let's go inside. Chineke. Now open this gate. She shifted me, oh. Eh? She shifted me outside. In my sister's house. No, this will not happen. Where am I? This is my sister's house now. They have camera. What is happening here? Who is this girl that entered here? No, it's like this my cap is covering my face. Let me see where. Caroline! Caro! You must sack that girl that entered there. What is this? Am I not at the right place? I'm at the right place. Hi! Could it be that Caroline has packed out without telling me? And with her husband? Hi! Caroline, why will you do this thing now? Why will you pack her from this house without informing me, your brother? And I came to city without transport. Hi! Oh, can't see Jena City, oh. If I had done, I wouldn't have gone with my cap. Caro, are you in there? Caroline! How will I go back to the village? Ha! Atakwa Mbikon. Obadaya. Ebakwa. Hey! Never. Never! I will not live here. I'm going to remain here. This is the compound now. Ah, this is the place. This is the place. I know what I'm saying. This is not the first time I'm coming.
Okudili. Such a nice, strong gentleman. If only Abuchi was half the gentleman that he is. Now that his wife is gone, maybe I should give it a trial. I might be lucky. Okwi. Okwi, darling. Hey! Okwi. Nice name.
Agilika, you have to go. You can see that my husband left this house because of you. And I'm very sure that if you keep staying here, he will not return. And me, I want my husband back. Oh, I want him back.
I was only trying to help you. Or do you even like the way he was treating you before? Eh? I only wanted to put fear in his body.
Ha! The one you did is too much. Now you have chased him away. You have completely destroyed my marriage. Is it because you are not married? Is that why you are doing this to me?
Oh, now I'm now to be blamed. Now you're blaming me. No problem. No problem. I will go. Now I see reasons why wise people don't interfere in other people's marriage problems. Now you're blaming me.
Hey, please, you have
After
to
all
go.
the help.
You have done. The one you did is enough. Just go. I don't want your help again. Thank you. You have to go.
I'm going.
I want to build. See, go to the barracks or anywhere you want to go to. I want to build my home, and you can't do this to me now. Don't worry about why you're on the child. I have completely paid out our money. Just go. Wait.
Baby, are you okay? What happened?
I'm pissed. My goods are yet to arrive, so it's disturbing me. But it's okay. It's okay.
Baby, don't worry yourself. It will definitely arrive, okay?
Yeah.
That reminds me, some rude madman came here yesterday and was claiming he's looking for his sister, Caro by name, that the sister and the husband lives here. I told him there's no Caro in the house. You need to have seen how he was disturbing the neighborhood. He was just shouting, knocking like a madman.
That is what I go through here almost on a daily basis. See someone knocking, missing address and all that. But don't worry, you just ignore them. When they knock and get tired, they leave.
You're right. I guess he missed his proper address. Okay. I guess he missed his way or lost the proper address of where he's going to. Let me check what's on fire, baby.
Yes, that's my husband too.
Hey! Nkechi, let's go. Nkechi, let's go.
Okoli, leave me alone.
Nkechi, let's go.
Okoli, leave me alone. There's nothing that will make me go back to that village with you. I'm never going back to that village with you.
Nkechi, who is this man?
My husband.
You see?
My husband.
I'm listening.
Yes, he's cute. Leave me alone.
Nkechi, who is this man?
My cute, caring, handsome, tall, dark, sweet, rich husband.
Nkechi, shut up. This man is dead. Let's go back to Mama and Wako. I have a lot to explain to you. Come, let's go.
Show that your explanation. Show it on your truth. See, let me tell you, there's nothing that will make me go back to that village with you. And on Nigerian Actors, you were not treating me well. Now that I found a good man who is rich and comfortable, you want to drag me back to the village.
This man is